I was wrong about this sneaker. This sneaker has plummeted since it released. Man, I was wrong about this one. I owe you guys an apology, man. Look, sometimes I get things wrong. I'm a human, you're a human. At the end of the day, this is all fun. I love sneakers, you guys love sneakers. That's why you clicked on this video and watched my videos. I appreciate you guys, I love you guys. But man, we all love sneakers, and sometimes things go wrong. We get things wrong. And this time, I was wrong, man. I got this sneaker wrong. This sneaker plummeted. I told you guys to hold on to this shoe. This sneaker would potentially do numbers. And yeah, it did the complete opposite in numbers, as a matter of fact. It dropped, plummeted in price. We're going to unbox the sneaker, take a look at it. I did hold on to it ever since myself. So if you've held on to the sneaker since its release, hey, I'm with you. It is what it is. I do have hopes for the sneaker, maybe one day of going up, but as of now, man, they've dropped. The sneaker's not a brick by any means. There's still some resell, but it plummeted, man. It really dropped. So when this sneaker dropped, it was originally going for about $500 to $600. Then, I would say about 2 months later, dropped about $100, $150, and then another $50 to $100 on top of that ever since. It has not risen at all, or risen, whatever the word is. It has not rose up, back up in price at all, the Jordan 3 Fragment, guys. Wow, I was wrong about this one. Completely wrong. If you thought that this sneaker was going to go up in price with me, please leave a comment down below. Be honest, let me know. If you thought that these were going to tank, hey, you got it right. Leave a comment and let me know. I thought this one was going to be a good one that would go up. I do want to show you guys, and we got to talk about the yellowing. I want to start off with that. Crazy, right? Guys, the sneaker released, I want to say in September of last year. I'm pretty sure it's September of last year when these dropped. And they've yellowed already. A lot of people's pairs have yellowed already. If you have a pair, let me know. Are they yellow? Are they not yellow on the back tab? They do have that beautiful Fragment logo on the back, as well as on the side of the shoe. Look, at the end of the day, guys, they have plummeted. It's a dope sneaker at the end of the day. This is a very clean sneaker, very easy to rock, easy to wear. This is a good one. I think this is a very dope shoe. If, you know, you only get one hype shoe a year, this could be a good one. You know, you don't want to spend too much. They're going for about $350 to $400 depending on size. Even $300 you could probably get them for. $300 to $400 depending on size. They used to go for $500, $600. I thought they would see $800, $900, even $1,000, maybe a year, within about a year later. It hasn't been that much time yet. It's only been, I would say, what, like 6-7 months now. But they've plummeted hard to where I don't think this is going to be $1,000 sneaker anymore. I don't. Guys, I definitely got this one wrong. Look, sometimes you got to man up and say, hey, you get things wrong. And look, I got it wrong. I'm not perfect. You know, I'm good with my Jordan 1s. I'm good with other Jordans, hype Jordans, you know, but I'm not good all the time. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. So definitely got this one wrong. But at the end of the day, it's still a banger shoe. Quality's nice, and it's dope. It's the next best thing to the Fragment Air Jordan 1, in my personal opinion. I'm not going to go spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for a pair of Fragment 1s, but this is a good shoe if you still want that Fragment logo, the hype, the design behind it, and it's still a clean colorway at the end of the day on a Jordan 3, which is still a very, very good model. I love these. I think they're clean, and just got it wrong, man. Look, I even overpaid. I'm going to tell you guys, I overpaid for this. I paid, I believe, $440 when they were still going for about $520, $530. I paid $440. At the time was a good price. Now, I overpaid, right? They've dropped that hard in price to where I overpaid for this pair myself. Overall, clean shoe. You really can't go wrong. Let me know what you guys think about the Fragment 3s down below in the comments. Are you holding on to this one? Is this one that you sold right off the jump if you did manage to pick them up for retail? Did you pay resale? If you did, how much did you pay? I hope you guys didn't take too much of an L on the aftermarket. But if this is one that you truly wanted, right, and you paid resale, it's still worth it. If it's up to you if it's worth it or not, no matter how much you pay, even if it's dropped tremendously in value. If it's still worth it to you, at the end of the day, it's your money. Do what you want. Clean shoe. And I just wanted to talk about these again. I had to, because it's been quite a bit since I have, and they've dropped so hard in price. I had to pull these out and show you and talk about them, man. Had to. Let me know if there's any other sneakers that you guys want to see me talk about here on the channel that have dropped in price, that maybe we could talk about that will go up in price, right? The after release, they've dropped, but they will go up. Maybe we could do a little series on that. Make sure you guys watch earlier's video, because I am doing a giveaway for the Jordan 4 University Blue. Leave a comment, leave a like in the earlier video, the do not sell video of the University Blue Air Jordan 4s. Let me know what you guys think about the fragments. Are they a cop at the end of the day? Are they a drop? Do you own them? Look, now that the price is low, I don't think it'll go any lower, so I think this is one that you could potentially go ahead and cop, and they could really only go up from here. How much lower can they go, right? I don't know how much lower they could possibly go. It still is a fragment shoe, right, which people still gonna want. Still a clean colorway. Jordan 3 still was limited, still a lot of hype towards it, so I don't think they'll drop much lower. So if you're looking to buy them, they could potentially just go up from this point forward. I don't think it's a great investment, but I definitely think it's a dope shoe nonetheless. Let me know what you guys think about the fragments, man. Very, very dope. Make sure you guys get your entries in for the University Blue Air Jordan 4s on that video from earlier. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. It pushes this video out to more people here on Sneaker YouTube. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, also, one more thing. Give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, because I'm going to host another giveaway besides the University Blue 4s very soon on Instagram as well. Trust me, you want to be a part of it. Got a lot more sneaker content on the way. I hope you guys are ready. Hit that thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want me to do a video on how to cop on Nike Sneakers app. I've been taking very nice W's. I have some really nice unboxings coming up here on the channel this week, showing you guys that I've been taking some nice W's on the Nike Sneakers app, so I can do a video, an updated video on how to cop on the Nike Sneakers app here in 2021. So if you guys want that, let me know by hitting that thumbs up and drop a comment. You gotta leave a comment and let me know. A lot more content on the way. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. More family. You guys have changed my life, and I love you guys. I do want to give you guys a little hint at the end of this video that I will have some big things coming. Stay tuned. Got some ideas cooking up in the brain that I'm going to be implementing here on the channel and on my second channel as well. And I'll be making a big life change pretty soon, the next few months as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on the upcoming content. I love you guys. More family. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.